Hello everybody, welcome back. Doing a different video today. I'm going to show you all my equipment and some of my treasure, because I didn't go out detecting today because I'm still not feeling very well from having an operation on my kidneys. So I thought I'd do one and show you all my equipment, what I started with and what I got now, and some of my finds and stuff. See what you think. Right, so first off, right, this is the first detector I bought. It's the Tixuan tx850. You see I've camouflaged it all up. It's got all the camo on it. It's got a cover on it, which give a shout out to these protectors. See the website there? I got it off eBay. But basically this machine's a copy of I think it's a Technetics G2 or something. Let's just turn it on. Yeah, Technetics G2, and this one's called a tx850 Tixuan. But it's a good machine. I bought it from Maplin when Maplins was still in England. But if you notice the coil, that's the same as the Garrett. The new Garrett, like, I don't know what it's called. But yeah, and it's a good sturdy machine. I've put camo wrap on it, and I've also modified it, and I put my own volume in it because it didn't have a volume button. There's a video on my channel showing you how to put a volume button in one of these. But it's a good machine. I found some good stuff with this. I found, it's just here, you can't really see it, but it's the Charles I hammered, and I found that this machine, and it was less, well, I think it was £110. Oh no, this wasn't the Maplin one, this was off eBay, £110 in a sale. But yeah, I found a Charles I hammered, copper hammered, and a piece of hack gold with this machine. And I found plenty of other stuff, buckles, buttons, 2p's, Vicky pennies, half pennies. So it is a good machine for starting out. Say it's basically the Chinese copied the Technetics G2, which is like 500-600 quid machine, and this thing's 110 quid, and it's the same. It's got a cover on it, a camo on it and stuff, and obviously modified the volume. And when my channel, if it ever does hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give this machine away, and the pinpointer that I first got, so that someone else can, you know, if they've not got a machine, they can go out and see what it's got. So that's the first detector I got. And this is a pinpointer. This was an eBay jobby, 20 quid. It's got a light on it. You've got 3 lights to tell you how close you are, and vibrates the closer you are. It's also got an LED light there for, obviously, if you're out at night. I'll put the little lanyard stretchy thing on. It says it's waterproof. I've not had no problems with it. It's been a good one. It's been just as good as this one, which was like 3 times the price of this one. I can't remember what brand it is because I've camouflaged all my stuff with Gorilla Tape, Superflage. Yeah, that's the first detector, the first pinpointer I've got. And as I say, they're just as good as the Nokta I've got. And then I've got gifted this. It's a gardening tool, Japanese hori for digging out. And it's got tape measure bit on it, so you sort of see how deep. In this proper Japanese steel, honestly, this thing is lethal. You could probably get in trouble carrying that about, I don't know. But that is a good tool, and I'll show you something else with that in a minute. And then this is the second detector I bought, which is Nokta Makro Simplex. I bought this off Facebook Marketplace in the UK. Same again, I've got a protect to detect cover, which is waterproof and stuff. So even though Simplex is waterproof, it comes, they have a plastic cover, their plastic screen here. This one's got a sun visor, shade, whereas that one's not got a shade, but you can see it's got full plastic there to waterproof the machine. This one I cut it out because it was annoying me getting glare off it, but it also got camo, like bandage wrap on the cable, standard coil, X marks the spot. I've got my Nokta pinpointer holder on the side. And this, you can also get these they're like neoprene covers from the same place that you get the cover there. You get them on eBay, as I say. Anyway, with this Makro, it's a cheap machine really, but it is a very good machine. And I bought the pinpointer, which was expensive. Once you buy it all, it's expensive, but it works well because the pinpointer, and I bought the wireless headphones, the green ones, and it all goes together. So the pinpointer you hear through the headphones. When you turn the pinpointer on, it cancels the machine out, so you can only hear the pinpointer in the headphones. So it's like, it's a full kit, full set, and yeah, really good. I put my pinpointer in there, and the pinpointer's got loads of pulse drive. Right, you can have it, you get a different end for it, so you can dive in, and it pairs to your Simplex. You got vibrate, everything. There's no light on it, I don't think. Yeah, there's no light on it on that, but there's a light on your Simplex, and then the headphones pair to that. And yeah, so it's brilliant. I'll put my pinpointer in there, and then the hori on the back of the Simplex. You've got this little slot, and the hori slots in there perfect, and then you're ready to go. You've got it all on there. It's a little bit of weight, but nothing you can't live with. Yeah, so that's my second detector, and I've had a lot of fun with this detector because I use it the most now. I sort of abandoned the tx850, give it to my, well, give it away at 1,000, but it's a good machine still. And the Simplex, good machine. I'm interested in the new Legend, Simplex Legend, when that comes out, when it's released. But yeah, that's my machines, that's my detectors. And got, it's my fines bag, also eBay, 20 quid, waterproof, plenty of room, plenty of pockets. You can wear it over your shoulder, or you can wear it around the waist. It's brilliant. You can have your pinpointer in there, but I prefer mine on the machine, on the Simplex. Oh yeah, and on here I also got one of these, and then that's attached to the pinpointer, the pulse drive. So that's my equipment now. In there, look, we've got some stuff. And headphones rechargeable, Simplex is rechargeable, and the pulse drives all rechargeable. When I do find coins, this is what I use to clean them. This is a prospector pen, a graphite pen. Like the tips carbon, and then there's also different sorts of tips in there for different course of cleaning. And I use this stuff for the coins and things, even though you're not really supposed to clean the coins because you lose value on them. You like ruin them, and I've done that to a couple of coins. This is some coins. Not all of these are metal detecting fines. You can't really see them very well. They're not all detecting fines. Got some Romans there. Romans. Actually, what I'll do is I'll do a separate video and take all of these out of it and show you my coins, because we're amassing a bit of silver. So I'll do all my coins and my treasure. in a different video. Look at this treasure chest. It's loaded. We need a bigger treasure chest. Got some silver bars there. See if I can. HappyBees silver. HappyBees silver. About 3 ounces of silver there. Some other stuff. There's a nice find, a bottle stop I found. And look at this. We've got some stuff I found. Look, 50 cal bullet. Found that with the detector, the tx850. Got some clay pipes, Roman pottery. And then a treasure chest full of stuff. So I'll do another video on all the treasure. There's a little treasure chest. This is another thing I found with the detector. Is this little surround with a key on. I found that with the tx850. And I thought, when I found it, I thought it was junk. And give it a clean up, and look, looks lovely on my treasure chest. It's extremely heavy. Let's put that aside. Put my coins aside, and we'll do a separate video just on them. Some gold coins and cards there. And we've got this. Oh, this is one of them jeweller's scope things, like magnifying things, which is good for really close-ups of coins. There's my finds from my last time out to Simplex. They all need cleaning up. I'm not sure what they are. It's a nice big square now though. And it could possibly be. It's kind of axis shaped, but we'll see. Just a bit of scrap junk probably. Bullets, and then all these coins from the world, UK, everywhere. I'm going to go through these, and then some of these are going to be like some giveaway coins a bit later on in the YouTubing. So keep tuned for that. Get yourself some world coins. So that's my equipment. Oh, there's another thing I've got to show you. This is a real good watch. 3 series. Recommend that to anyone. It's about metal detecting. Lastly, this is my sand scoop I made. I think it's 2mm galvanised. It was flat, basically. A flat piece of galvy. And then I drew the shape. Out I wanted. Done it in cardboard first, like mock up. And then drilled holes. Cut it out. Made a separate piece on the back, which goes up. Braces to the handle. It's pretty solid. It does job, it works well. It's quite heavy though, because it's the bar there, that's like 3mm steel I think, or 4mm steel, and then that's 2mm galvy. It's pretty good, and it's strong enough that you can use that as a foot plate to really dig in. You can get it full scope. So that's my equipment, everybody. Hope you enjoyed that. Like, comment, any suggestions or anything. Someone has asked me to make them one of these because they don't want to spend 100 quid on one. They might not be able to lift it. It's like, it is quite heavy. Solid. So that I'll do another video soon of all the treasure and the detecting finds. So stay tuned, people. Catch you soon. Oh, actually, some shout outs to Tripwire and my videos. Massive support. Check out their channels. They've got some really good content, and there's a good live. They do a lot of lives and giveaways and stuff. So check out them. Great support. That's my videos and Tripwire. Enjoy your day, everybody. Over.